Okay, now students, take your rough note, and here I gave one practice problem. You have to solve it. Same way, same like that table column, that method only. When you are going from left to right, you have to add. When you are going from up to down, you have to subtract. So here what are the given values? 1 by 2, 1 by 3. And here second one, 1 by 3 and 1 by 4 they gave. Now you have to say, okay, what is the answer? I am going to ask you. So 1 by 2, 1 by 3, we have to add, because left to right, so we have to add. So 1, here 2, here 3, should not add directly 1 plus 1 2 sir, and 2 plus 3 5 sir. So 2 by 5 sir, you should not say, because the denominator is not same. So the denominator is not same means what we have to do? We have to take either LCM or cross multiplication. Okay, so if you take cross multiplication means you just say 1 3s are 3 and 2 1s are 2. So 3 plus 2 divided by 2 into 3s are 6. So 3 plus 2 divided by 6 means 5 by 6. Did you get the same answer? 5 by 6. Next I will give 1 minute time. You have to say that second column answer. Okay, are you ready? Shall I say? Okay, your time start. So first what you do? 1 by 3, 1 by 4. So you have to add. So whenever you have to add any fraction, look at the denominator first. When the denominators are same only, you have to add the numerator and then you have to keep common denominator. But when the denominators are different, you have to use cross multiplication method or LCM method. Okay. So here 3, here 4. That means it is a like fraction or unlike fraction? It is a unlike fraction. So unlike fraction, how to solve? We have to take cross multiplication method. So you have to put arrow mark here and arrow mark here. So 1 4s are 4, 3 into 1 3. So 4 plus 3 divided by 12. So 7 by 12, right? So 7 by 12. Now here one answer you found. Now here one answer you found, right? Am I correct? Okay. Now you have to subtract, right? 1 by 2, 1 by 3. Okay. 1 by 2, 1 by 3 sir. Here 1 sir, here 1 sir, 1 minus 1 0 sir. So 0 by 3 sir. No. Here 2, here 3. So denominator is not same. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. So 1 into 3 3, 2 into 1 2, 3 minus 2 1, 1 divided by 2 into 3. So what's the answer will come? So 1 divided by 6 will come. Okay. So 1 by 6 will come, right? And next here 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 you have to subtract. So 1 into 4, 3 into 1, 4 minus 3, 1. And 3 into 4, 12. So 1 by 12. Now here also an answer found. Here also an answer you found, right? So which one will be very empty? Which one will be still we have to find? This one. How to find this value? Either you have to add this and this value, otherwise we have to subtract this and this value, you will get the same answer. So if you are doing the addition and the subtraction, if the answer will be coming at same means your answer is correct. Okay, understood students? So this kind of tabular column they gave in your book, so you have to practice it. Okay, it will be very easy only. Okay, so we can expect this kind of questions even in your exam also. Okay, so practice it. Shall we move to the next problem? Okay, so next problem, Naina house is 9 by 10 kilometer from her school. She walked some distance and then took a bus for half kilometer to reach her school. How far did she walk? That means how far still she has to move. Can you understand? Total distance they given. Some part of the distance she walked. Okay. Some part of the distance she is going by using that bus. Okay, so shall we solve this problem? Okay, first one, here I have taken from A to C. This is the total path. Okay, the total path distance is 9 by 10 kilometer. Understand? Total distance, which should be 9 by 10 kilometer. And while she is going from A to B by using right, walking only, right, by using walking, not by walking only, she covered this much distance. Next, from B to C, she used bus while covering the remaining distance. Say what they asked, what will be the remaining distance she covered after she walked. So that means total distance we know, and this distance also we know. And how to find this distance? Could you say? Okay, leave this problem. I will ask one general question. Okay, so this is one 5 centimeter. Okay, sorry, here 5 chocolate will be there. Total chocolate, 5 chocolate will be there. Totally from A to C, 5 chocolates is there. Here 2 chocolates they missed. Okay, 2 chocolates they missed. Otherwise 2 chocolates they gave to other persons. So what will be your remaining? Totally 5 chocolate. 2 chocolate he gave to other person. So what will be the remaining chocolate? So obviously we know 5 minus 2. We have to subtract, right? 5 minus 2 which is equal to 3 chocolate. So 3 chocolate only she has. That means remaining chocolates, right? So same way here total distance, instead of they are giving in the whole number, they give fraction, and here also they give fraction. So total distance AC they given and AB they given. So what about BC means? We have to subtract from the total value minus this value. Am I right? So total distance which is equal to 9 by 10 kilometer. Next one, distance covered by walking. So by walking, how much distance she covered? Half kilometer, right? So next one, what will be the remaining distance? So remaining distance they asked. So 9 by 10 minus 1 by 2, right? Because we have to subtract from the total minus how much distance she covered by walking. So how to solve this one? 9, 2. So 9 into 2. So just put cross multiplication, and that means arrow marks. 9 into 2, 10 into 1, 10 into 2. So 9 into 2, here 18. So 18 came, no, 18 I wrote. 10 into 1, so 10 I have written here, and 10 into 2, that is called 20. So 18 minus 10, what will be the value? 18 minus 10, so 8. So 8 divided by this value you have to write, so 8 divided by 20. Okay, 8 divided by 20, shall we cancel? In any table, which are the table it will be divided? Same, that 8 and 20, both number also, it should be divided by any common table, any common number. Okay, shall we check from the 2? 2 table will divide. How many 2s are 8? So 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, and 4 2s are 8. How many 2s are 20? So 10 2s are 20. So I have written 4 by 10. Still we can simplify, right? Still 4 also can divide by 2, 10 also we can divide by 2. So in that case, so how many 2s are 4? 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. How many 2s are 5? 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, and 5 2s are, it will be 10, no? So 2 by 5 kilometer. So now we found, no? So that is that. So 2 by 5, see here. So remaining 2 by 5 kilometer she covered by using bus. Sir, how sir we have to check whether this answer is correct or not? In the problem they gave total distance, right? 9 by 10 kilometer total distance they gave, and A to B they gave half kilometer, and B to C only we found, that is called what is, how much that is? 2 by 5, right? So 1 by 2 plus 2 by 5, if we add means which value will get? This distance and this distance if we add means which value we will get? So we will get total distance. Am I right? So 1 by 2 plus 2 by 5. Can you add and say 1 by 2 plus 2 by 5? So here 5, 2 2s are 4. So 5 plus 4, 9, and 2 into 5, 10. So 9 by 10, right? So 9 by 10 came, no. So 9 by 10 kilometers. So our answer is correct. Okay. So this kind of problem they will give. Okay. How to find first, how to predict first whether in the problem total distance they gave or not. And some distance covered by some either by engine, powered by engine, or powered by engine, any vehicle, okay, or walking, that you have to understand. Okay. And then you have to subtract. Suppose instead of they gave here, instead of giving the value of here, they gave this one, they said to find this value, means how to find? Same way, total distance minus this distance BC. Understood? Shall we move the next problem? Okay. Yes, this kind of problem didn't see, no, 3 fraction you have to add, right? So first solve 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6, right? 3 fraction they give. So in that 3 fraction, can you identify whether it is a like fraction or unlike fraction? It is unlike fraction. Sorry, it is unlike fraction only. So 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 6. So we have to change the denominator as same value. So how to change the denominator as same value? Here I am not using that cross multiplication method. You can use cross multiplication. How sir we can use cross multiplication? Here you have to put, here you have to put, here you have to put, and 1 3s are 3, 2 1s are 1, sorry, 2 1s are 2 here, 1 2s are 2, sorry. So 1 3, 1 into 3, 3 plus 2 divided by 2 into 3, 6, right? Okay, well, that means 5 by 6, and then we have to add 5 by 6 plus 1 by 6, 5 plus 1, 6 divided by 6 equal to 1. So easily we can solve. So any other method is there as well, okay? So that means we will solve this time LCM method, okay? So you can either reduce this 2 fraction as a single fraction and then you can add this fraction value. Otherwise, you can take the LCM of 2, 3 and 6. So I put the value 2 into 3, 2, 3, 6. So which table commonly it will divide? So 2 can be divided in 2 table and 6 also can divide. So only the possible is 3 will not be divided. Am I right? So 2 you have to put 1 2s are 2 and 3 you have to put, and 3 2s are 6. If you put 3 value means, so 1 and that 1 3s are 3, 1 3s are 3. So what is this value? 2 into 3. So 2 into 3, 6, right? So just change the fraction. So here 1 by 2. So 6, LCM is 6. So we have to change the denominator as 6. For that we have to multiple. Which value if you multiple means we will get the 6 value in the denominator. So 2 into 3. Here you have to multiply by 3. Here you have to multiply by 2. Here you have to multiply by 1. So which number you multiplied, same number you have to multiply in the numerator also. Right? So 1 into 3, 1 into 2, 1 into 1. So just to find the value, 3 plus 2 plus 1. So 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So 6 by 6 which is equal to 1. So do you know how to find, students? Can you understand this method? So simply we have to change the denominator as same value only. Otherwise you can do it the cross multiplication method. First 2 fraction you have to reduce it and then you have to add it. That also same answer, the correct answer will come. Okay. So that's all, students. Today I thought that remaining problems, so based on that one, and I gave some that box problem also you can work out, and that exercise 7.6 most of the problems I completed. Still some problems are there, so you have to do it. Okay, that first problem, right? First some subdivision, a lot of problems they given, that is for your practice. So anyway, so thank you all. So practice it. Just without practicing the mathematics will not come. So practice it. Thank you all. Be safe, eat well and sleep well, read well. Thank you.